If I could choose anything, I would be praying that one day I would fall into love and stay. And fall into love, and it's love. I keep on writing and sleep on the stories. I know that I'm not there. I don't wanna die, but I don't wanna live like this.
Hey you guys, so I got a new palette for when I went to Mexico. It's called Naked 3 Beautiful. Apparently they don't sell it over here, and that's why I never heard of it when I went over there, but they make huge palettes, 99 colors. So we're gonna try it out, and I already tried it out, but I want to show you how I did my makeup like this with this palette. So let's get to it.
I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah.
Alright, so I put this on so my hair is smoothed in the way. Also already primed and hydrated my face. So now I'm gonna put foundation, but it'll be off camera. Yeah. Okay, so I did one eye so you can see how I'm gonna do my makeup. And I used this palette. They only sell it in Mexico. Sorry. First color I used was Quirky. And it's gonna go right in my crease. So the reason why I like using this color is because when I put it on and then I put another color on, you can barely see it, but it makes that kind of shine, and then also it makes it more defined to the red when I put it on my eyelid. Erotic, which is this one right here. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it right on the eye, a little bit lower than the yellow, and just spread it out. Never start up here or down below, because we're just defining the crease. Okay, so right now we're gonna get the color red, this color right here, which is called Sensation, and we're gonna put it right on the eyelid. It's gonna look pink at first, but it will look darker later on. Next, we're gonna wipe off this brush, and we're gonna grab Kiss Me. I'm gonna put it right on top of the pink. Next, we're gonna grab this brown that's called Corset. Now we're gonna make it a little bit darker with the one that says Delicate. We're going to put it right on the edge, around the red, right here, just like that. And it's going to look a little bit weird. You can use your finger to smooth it out on the top of the eye. Next, we're going to grab the color that says First Time. We're going to put it in the inner corner and outer corner of our eye. Next, we're gonna grab another brush that's thinner and smaller. We're gonna grab two glitter. There is some fallout, and it does end up getting on your skin. What I like to do is redo this part, so that way the fallout won't be as harsh. So it's done and finished. And it's Quimont that we're gonna put under our eyes. And it's like a blue-green. We're going to put it right underneath. We're also going to blend it downwards so that our eyes look bigger. So I'm going to do that. Now we're gonna do highlight. What I'm gonna get for my inner corner highlight is that extra. I'm gonna use the fan brush. First I'm gonna apply the Wet n Wild. Hey you guys, so thank you for watching my video. I know everybody's having a tough time in quarantine. It's the same thing here, and if you really did like my video, hit a like, share the video to family and friends who would like to learn makeup or want a new form of doing makeup. Also, if you would like, you could subscribe, and if you want notifications for me, just hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I could choose anything, I would be great.